Hello, I'd like to welcome you to the new Builders Automation door machine. This machine's major improvement is its ability to route the hinges through a servo system, or also referred to as electromechanical. I'm going to go through some of the screens and show you how now we have the ability to change the hinge size from the screen. And when I say change the hinge size down to a finite of 1/1000th. Now obviously that's not something we really need to do down to 1,000th on wood. However, we have the accuracy and the ability to repeat that type of tolerance. More importantly, you can make adjustments. So if your hinges come in and the dimensions on the hinges are not what you expected, you can come in here and you can modify it. In addition to that, you have the ability to make custom hinges and also even name them. So you can call them whatever you would like for whatever dimensions that may come in. In addition to that, you can also change your reveal, the distance beneath the hinge. This gives you the ability to do custom doors. Now, there will be some limitation to what you're going to be able to accomplish with the distance there is from the base of the door to the base of the jamb. But needless to say, you can do custom slabs with custom reveals. You can also do custom radiuses. Again, this is going to require the right type of tool, so you could not do a 1/4 inch radius with an 1 1/4 inch cutter, but you can do a 5/8 radius with a 1/2 inch cutter. Not very efficient, I wouldn't recommend it, but it's doable. More importantly, if you're going to need to do 1/4 inch radiuses, this machine can now do it. Built to do 5/8 radiuses, but now it also will do 1/4 inch radiuses. With that said, if you have metric sizes, it will also do metric sizes. Bigger markets. You can also change the radius on the jamb and not have the same radius on the door. So I have seen a few hinges out there where the radius on the jamb is 5/8, the radius on the door is 1/4 inch. I'm going to go ahead and return back. In here you can also turn on and off your 3 degree. You can also do through route. And of course you can also do no hinge. You can also set the diameter of the tool. This is huge because I have a lot of clients that get their tooling resharpened. Over time, the tooling will become undersized. Instead of having to throw that tooling away, you can continue using it with one major caveat, and that is all 4 cutters need to be very close to the same diameter. They don't have to be perfect. I guess, of course, that depends on what kind of tolerances you want to hold, but they need to be close. And whoever's sharpening your tools, just need to let them know if you're going to go undersized, they need to be set up in sets so that they're all 4 the same diameter. Of course, you can change this to a 1/2 inch cutter or a metric size. This is by far the simplest machine I have ever operated. You can change your door size, that simple. You can change left to right from the screen. You can even change your lockboard location. You can see in a glance what is turned on. Like in this case, it's red, so the through route's not on. Dust collection beacon turned on and off from the screen. Your deadbolt location, 3-degree on or off. You can turn on or off your strike drill, latch mortise, whatever you want, all from this one screen without having to navigate to another screen. Extremely, extremely user-friendly. This video would show anybody how to simply operate this machine. No classes, no certifications necessary. Very simple. It's all very intuitive. The machine has the ability to monitor all the inputs and the outputs from the HMI without needing to hook up with a laptop or any extra tooling. From here, you can also change your feed rate on your cuts and your rapid traverse. You can also change your center line of the position in which the cutter starts. The cutter starts between the door and the jamb. You can also do the carriage speed from here. Carriage on this unit is considerably faster than any other machine we've built. And everything's made and built with pride.